Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tutorials, and welcome to Exploring Browser APIs. In this course, we're going to be diving into a handful of exciting new and old browser APIs to show you how simple it is to work in the browser with just plain JavaScript. We're going to get started by teaching you some fundamentals before moving on to some intermediate skills and then diving into some experimental APIs. Along the way, we'll also be targeting APIs that do not yet have full support, as many of these don't. So we'll be talking about what you can do to mitigate those issues as well as identify potential issues in your code. So let's get started by diving into our first lessons, which are going to be on the basics level, where we're going to be working with the things that you'll need to know for the rest of this course, such as creating DOM elements, finding DOM elements, and adding events to them. So let's get going.